Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Webflow form submissions using integrations. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup Webflow form submissions, start by logging into your Webflow account. Select the project that contains the form you wish to backup. Navigate to the form settings in the project dashboard. Scroll down to the integrations section. Here, you will find options for connecting various services. Choose your preferred integration tool, such as Zapier or Integromat. If you select Zapier, go to the Zapier website and log in. Click on Make a Zap to create a new automation. For the trigger app, search for and select Webflow. Choose the trigger event, such as form submission, and connect your Webflow account. Follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Webflow project. Select the specific form that you want to back up. Next, choose an action app where you would like to send the submissions. Popular choices include Google Sheets, Airtable, or emails. For example, if you choose Google Sheets, select it as the action app. Choose the action event, such as Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your Google account and authorize Zapier's access. Customize the action by selecting the spreadsheet and specifying the columns. Map the Webflow form fields to the corresponding spreadsheet columns. Once set up, test the Zap to ensure data is being sent correctly. If the test is successful, turn on the Zap to start backing up submissions automatically. Return to Webflow and create a new form if needed, following the same integration steps. Regularly check your backup service to ensure submissions are being stored correctly. This process helps maintain a secure and accessible record of your form submissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.